Okay, this is a quick demonstration video of the Sodick AQ-537L wire EDM. We're going to come in, thread the wire, fill the tank, and do a quick surface cut. It's running the Sodick LN1W control. We hit start. You see the threading unit. Machine is in excellent condition. Wire's now been threaded. Tank doors should rise, so we'll start filling the tank. You can see the out the back seal plate. And that is, like I said, machine's in excellent condition. Chiller unit. And behind the machine, wire collection bin. So, water level is just coming up. Okay, wire is moving. Now we're starting to move in on the workpiece. And you can see in there, you can see the sparking. That's it. The Sodick AQ-537L.